Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix most commonly occurring Wi-Fi issues on your DELL Inspiron 3530 laptop. First of all, we're gonna have to check whether the Wi-Fi is working properly for other devices that can connect to it. So check your Wi-Fi connection on your smartphone, on your tablet, or on your PC. And if they can use your Wi-Fi, then let's start troubleshooting this laptop. So the first thing that you're gonna have to do is open the control center by clicking these three icons in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then the easiest way to refresh your Wi-Fi connection is by enabling airplane mode, which will basically refresh our network connection. So just enable airplane mode for a couple of seconds and then disable it and let your laptop re-establish the connection with your Wi-Fi. And if this didn't help you, right-click the Wi-Fi icon on your taskbar and select Network and Internet Settings. Here we're going to have to scroll down to Advanced Network Settings and select this option. Then go to Network Reset. Click Reset Now, then Yes, then Close, then open the Start menu, go to Power Options and restart your computer. After your laptop is restarted, re-enter your PIN code and then try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. So open your Wi-Fi connections list right here, select your Wi-Fi network, click Connect and re-enter the password to it. Press Next and then wait for the connection to be re-established. And if your network still isn't working, then right-click your Wi-Fi icon once again, select Diagnose Network Problems, and then basically go through the troubleshooting steps that we see right here up to Need More Help option. If you went down this far and your Wi-Fi network still isn't responding properly to you, then the only thing that is left to do is to check your Wi-Fi drivers. And in order to update your Wi-Fi drivers, to check and update your Wi-Fi drivers, first you're going to have to get to know your device's service tag, because you're going to need most probably going to need to use another device to install Wi-Fi drivers on, and then just transfer these drivers to your DELL laptop using a USB flash drive. So first of all, we're going to need to get to know the so-called service tag of your DELL computer, and we can get to know it in the BIOS menu. So if you shut down your laptop, then wait until it's turned off, and then turn it on by short pressing the power button once, and then start repeatedly pressing F2 button until you enter BIOS menu. You'll be able to locate your device's service tag right here. So take a photo of it or maybe write it down, and then we're gonna have to enter the DELL website and download the respective driver for your laptop based on your service tag. So I press the Escape button to leave the BIOS menu, and I'm gonna proceed on this laptop. But of course, if you have an unstable Wi-Fi connection, you're gonna need a separate device to do this. But let me just start up my laptop real quick. Okay, so open a web browser, then let's open search engine and let's search for DELL drivers. Let's find drivers and downloads. Web page on the official DELL.com website, and let's open it. And then here we're gonna have to enter the service tag of our laptop. In my case, I already have this this laptop saved in this search history on this website. So the service tag for me is 70VWS44. So just enter your service tag and you'll get the list of the drivers that are specific to your laptop. Now here we're gonna have to locate the Find Driver style and click Find Drivers. And then below, well, wait until this page is loaded. Let me translate it quickly. So below we're gonna find the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver. For me it's Realtek, so Realtek Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver. Let's select it, then click Download Selected. And now in case you're doing this on the separate PC, you're gonna have to transfer this file to your Dell laptop. And then on your Dell laptop, we're gonna have to open it, click Yes, then select Install Software Updates on this PC, Continue. Now a separate window with installation will open. Let's wait until it's opened. Click Next. Then wait for a while. And then restart your computer by selecting yes, I want to restart my computer now. Click in Finish and just wait until your laptop is restarted. After the laptop is restarted, your Wi-Fi connection should become stable. And that's basically it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.